Hello guys, nasa sentro daw kami. We're at the city proper. I forgot to ask how to properly call it. So yeah, I saw this street once sa isang YouTube video. So ito pala yun. Look at that. It's Isaac's Theatre Royale. Look. It's named after you. I think I'm gonna take a photo of you there. Isaac's Theatre Royale. Yeah. Isaac's Theatre Royale. I'm gonna... Yeah, here, come here. Come here. Come here. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Yeah, Isaac. Look at me. Look at me. And then point to the, to your name. Hindi ka na. Okay, it's okay. So that building is called Isaac Theatre Royale.
Without may yung sasakyan.
Ano?
Di man. Dun, oh, diba?
Punta lang kami dito. We're gonna check out this strip. Mami, that's called Isaac Theatre Royale. Picture na siya doon. Ito yung nakita natin sa YouTube, Mami.
Ito, bagong tayo itong parking na ito.
Oh my God. This is so cool. Look at that. Old buildings, different colors.
Ito na kaya, bang wala pa yung train? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Wait lang, Marta. Kita mo ba?
Yeah, isa pa. Kabila naman.
Wait.
Ito.
Wait.
Akala mo parking lang pero kita mo lang wall na. Dito tol masarap gumala, sabi ko sa banda ron pa meron pa din
Nagabiro lang po kami ni Mark. Pang-chill. Mga ano po, mga ano yun, mga estudyanteng 60 to 80. It's like in Cubao. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun sa Cubao, Mami?
Bakit ayaw ko na dito tol? Dito ako nag-deliver. Ito yung nag-deliver ko lagi.
Ito.
Diyan sa likod na yan. Dito ako nagtatanggal.
Coffee lovers. Haven Tattoo. How much kaya ang tattoo dito? body piercing. Ah, no, 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 no. Coffee, food, people. Sounds Filipino. Casa Publica.
Daddy, dito na ako.
Tayo tayo dun sa park. Tara.
Okay.
Okay, kanan muna. Kaliwa. Dati nung nakaharang ko ng gano'n. Ayun, hindi ako pinamit.
So I'm gonna show you the whole of this is a short strip pero full of shops. Nakita ko siguro may mga 4 na bakante na butas. Siguro mabilis lang ma-filled up yun. Maybe yung mga nasa corner na mga units or stores or mga matatagal na dyan. That's why they are very much in operation. Let's go to the park and see what they got. So it's under construction, but still it's quite beautiful. My son is all grumpy now because he's tired maybe, and I think he's hungry. We'll have fish and chips in a while. Dinner na rin siguro yun. In a while. Pause muna. Okay.